patty yet. I look super crazy right now. Also my lashes and my hair done. My nails are good. I want to try doing a TikTok. I'm in gym clothes because I plan to go to the gym. My lashes done, doing my eyebrows myself. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be taking you guys along with me to go get my nails done, also my lashes and my hair done. And so if you would like to see how I transform from this to this, then keep on watching. And just know that today this vlog would be very short, nothing special. Maybe I'll just like a short come with me vlog. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Good morning. Why I look so different? I look kind of young. Guess because I am young. I look super crazy right now after such a beautiful intro. Just came from the gym. I went to the gym between 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and now it's 8:30. I'm gonna actually go ahead now and pull out my hair because I've had this protective style for about 2 months. That was very intentional. I really wanted my hair to grow because that's going natural. So I'm going to pull this out right now and wash it, because I have my hair appointment. This is what it's looking like. At my hair appointment today at 3:30 p.m. I have a lash appointment at 1 p.m. and now at 10 a.m. I have my nail appointment. So I'm trying to get everything done today. As I might have said from the intros, that today is a mini vlog, a little fix-up vlog. It's been a while since I got my nails done and my lashes and my hair, and also I will be traveling soon, so I really wanted to get everything done before I go on vacation. My flight is actually in the next day. Well, today is Wednesday and my flight is on Friday. I really want to edit this video and upload it today, Wednesday. I'm not sure if that's gonna be done, but I would really hope I could. But you guys are due a video today, Wednesday anyway, so while I'm out doing my nails and stuff and my hair, I have to edit and make sure say when a video get uploaded, you understand, because we're being consistent over here. So yeah guys, just enjoy this vlog with me. And also last night I went ahead and programmed this little remote to the camera, so it's easy enough for me to vlog. I don't have to walk back and forth the camera. I can just cut it off. I can zoom in and I can zoom out. So we're all set for vlogging today. Actually, should be able to vlog properly today. So yeah, as I said, time is against me kinda, and I have a lot of things to do today, so it's just a day in my life, fix up, run around basically. I won't need to get something to eat and then I head to my nail tech. So let's do this. While I'm away, I'm gonna miss my little plant. I don't know if you guys met Patty yet, but she's our new little plant. She's growing. I'll insert a picture when she just came. Look at her. Now she's growing so much. I'm gonna miss her, so I have to leave her with someone for them to take care of her while I'm not here. I want to try doing a TikTok, so let me try to film a TikTok. I think I'm gonna use this song. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this song. I'm trying to do a TikTok. That would be fun, glowing up on TikTok. Like, let's see how I can do this best. So this is my first attempt. This me I got it so.
Hello?
You wanna know?
Yeah. Oh, you wanna know where I'm at?
We are.
Outside.
I'm gonna do it to this one. It's my first time. I'm so new to TikTok. Alright, let's do this.
And I got a few bodies up under my belt. Ooh. Hello? Well, yeah. Oh, you.
Oh, I know. I can do this one too. How can you? I wish I knew how to just let it hold down like hand free. That way I wouldn't have to, you know, hold it. I don't know how to do the hand free thing.
Taking my pants and I got a few bodies. Taking my pants and I got a few bodies up under my belt. Ooh. Hello? Well, yeah. Oh, you wanna know where I'm at? We outside.
Oh my god, let's see. Let's see how this one looks.
Taking my pants and I got. Hello? Well, yeah. Oh, you wanna know where I'm at? We outside. Taking my pants.
I have to do it over. That one and a half.
Can I? I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here. I heard you bitches was looking for me. Bitch, here I come. I heard you.
We're all done. So I am heading now, looking crazy as ever. I'm heading now to my nail tech and then I will get my hair braided. I have a bun, a high bun, so bad. But yeah, I'm not looking the best right now. But that's not what I look horrible. Like, it's not even. I didn't put on any sunscreen. Oh my god. Yeah, I came off Retini. I don't know if I told you guys. Well, I haven't spoken to you guys in a while, actually. But I came off Retini. So now I'm just trying to get out the dark spots. So yeah, I'm gonna stop by Juicy Beef real quick to get something to eat. I get one patty of Juicy Beef and then with touch road. So I'm soon talk soon. I look so crazy. But this will do for now. Look at this. It's a lot. So I'm at my nail tech now. I'm getting my nails done. I'll insert a picture of when it's done, but this is what it's looking like. I'm getting the oval shape for the first time, so I'm Really excited about that. Really excited. Guys, this is my nail tech, Shanessa, nail tech / friend. Get in there?
Yeah, we right.
Oh my god. Guys, this is my nail tech, Shanessa. My nails I get slay and I'm putting on acrylics. And I don't even know this at all. So, bye. Just got my lashes done. I couldn't snap doing my lashes because I was running super late. So I never have any time to do that. And my hairdresser, she cancelled on me. Well, hopefully I can get my hair done today, but I think she's trying to cancel. So in that case, maybe I can't get my hair done today, which is really gonna throw off my day. Really gonna throw off tomorrow, because tomorrow is a very tight day for me. But I'm seeing if she could possibly come later. I'm open to that. I just don't want to come do anything tomorrow, you know, like. And I went in the sun today, so my skin is not reacting well. I didn't have on any sunscreen at all. No sunscreen at all. I had on no sunscreen at all today, so I'll wash my hair tonight and do my brows tonight, because tomorrow I'm gonna get my hair braided. I look so, like, it's the first time I'm on camera and I'm very conscious of how I look. Like, this looks so horrible. Yeah, I'm very conscious of how I look right now, so I'm gonna get off camera. This does not look good. And guys, I made a TikTok today with my nails, so I'm gonna insert those here, and then tomorrow I'll meet up with you guys when I go to get my hair braided. So yeah, bye.
When I do my 10, money five bands, JC I ain't playing, look, I don't want your man.
Alright, hey, we're looking all good now. So today's a brand new day and I got my hair braided. I got knotless braids. Yeah, I got knotless braids, but the jumbo size. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I'll show you guys better. But yeah, I'm in gym clothes because I plan to go to the gym, but I'm not sure that I will go to the gym. And this will be such a short vlog because I didn't show much, you know. I really couldn't this time around, guys. So yeah, I didn't show much, so I would not have a lot in this vlog. This vlog is gonna be a very short vlog, maybe like 8 minutes, 6 minutes. Okay, go on. I'm trying to use the ATM. So yeah, I am trying to get something to eat now. I was supposed to go to the gym, as I said. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not going to cancel the gym, but I might go later on today. So I'm now waiting to get some food, eat the food. I think I'm going to head home and then at least start packing stuff. I'm going to at least go home and start pack for my vacation, because I haven't done that, and I know tomorrow's going to be so busy, and I have a very early flight, so Yeah, plus I have to do the COVID test at the airport, so I have to be there like early. Let's see. But yeah, this is the fix up vlog. I think I'm just going to close out today's vlog. I mean, there's nothing else to really show. I know it's very short, very lame, but it's content, right? It's me taking you guys along with me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, fixing up with me, getting my nails done. I really love my nails, my lashes, and now my braids. I'm going to do my eyebrows tonight by myself. I'm going near them tonight. Hi, it's me guys. I'm about to go pack now for my trip. I have so much to do, but I am doing my eyebrows myself. I always do my eyebrow myself. I used to go to a barber years ago, but I stopped doing that and I started doing my eyebrows myself because I do wear makeup, as you guys know, so I don't need to do much to my brows. Yeah, I do wear makeup, so I don't necessarily need to have them done perfectly, so I do them myself. And I just popping in to say that the nair that I'm talking about is the face cream. So this is the Nair face cream, and it's very sensitive, and you can use it on your upper lip as well, your chin and your face, okay? So please do not use the regular Nair to do this. I use a Nair, face Nair, and I also use a clean brush. So I use a clean brush. Do not use the regular Nair to do this. That will burn your skin. I used to do it all the time. I can still do it if I want, even though my skin is sensitive, but I know exactly how to do it, how long to keep it on. Not everybody would know how to do that, so please do not use it, do Nair on your eyebrows, unless it's the face cream. All right, bye again guys, because this is future me. Bye. And I think that's it for the fix up vlog. So yeah, you guys, by the time you get this, I'm already on vacation, so look out for much more great content. I mean, on vacation I have so much activities planned, and we're gonna be away for 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. We're gonna have so much to do, and I'll have so much to take you guys along with me while I'm doing it. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon, and I'll try to let me show you guys the braid, the ends. I got the ends curly, and it's kind of long. Yeah, kind of long. All right, you know, kind of long. I don't wear braids unless it's long. That's the first thing. So yeah.